Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Electro for You. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I am here to teach you engineering physics and my first topic is quantum mechanics. So in quantum mechanics we have introduction to quantum physics, blackbody radiation, explanation using the photon concept, Compton effect, de Broglie hypothesis, wave-particle duality, verification of matter waves, uncertainty principle, Schrödinger wave equation, particle in a box, quantum harmonic oscillator, hydrogen atom. So speaking of physics, physics is that part of the science where we study our surrounding, nature and natural phenomena. Physics is applied in our everyday life. So how quantum mechanics plays a vital role, let's start about that. Up to 1900, physics was called classical physics. Classical theory of physics basically consisted of classical mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism. Classical mechanics could explain successfully the motion of celestial bodies and other earthly observable objects. But in many aspects, classical mechanics could not be applied, and specifically it could not describe the velocity of object which is very high, like 10 to the power 8 meter per second or more than that. And that's when quantum mechanics was invented. So quantum mechanics could explain the drawbacks of the classical theory of physics, that is the things which could not be explained by the classical theory could be explained by quantum mechanics. So classical mechanics. So let's begin with the history. E equals to h nu was the first formula given by Max Planck to propose the quantum hypothesis. Photoelectric effect given by Sir Albert Einstein in 1905 was the second initiative in quantum hypothesis. Compton effect given by H. Compton in 1923 was the third and the critical invention made in quantum mechanics. And this theory was called the old quantum theory. Why it is called old quantum theory? Because in 1925 Heisenberg and Schrödinger in 1927 both created such theories that their objectives of the theories were same, and these theories could overcome all the drawbacks of the old quantum theories, and that is why the Heisenberg and Schrödinger theories are called the modern quantum theory. Another most important vital topic of quantum theory is that the black body. The black body is the black body was that thing at that time which could not be explained or described by classical physics, but this could be described one and only by the quantum mechanics, and that is how quantum mechanics became a separate part of the physics. So that was the introduction of the quantum mechanics, and in the next class we will further discuss in briefly and explain them the black body radiation and then the photon concept and so on. So that's now for today. I hope you all have understood what I have taught. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.